Hey, this is CrocFix and I will show you today how to replace your LCD screen with a touch glass on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 4X. If you need any parts or tools, you can buy them directly from my video description link, and this will also support my channel. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe. So please look closely at these pictures. You see we have two versions of the LCD screen. Depends which one you have. So the Note 4 doesn't have on the top the flex cable, and the Note 4X does have a flex cable. So the best is first open the phone and check which one you have, so you will order the proper LCD screen. First remove the SIM card tray. And then try to make a gap at the bottom where is the charging port. You just lift it a little bit, as you see in the video. And then you just go around with this plastic tool and open it centimeter by centimeter. You just have to go around and make the gap all around, so you can remove the back cover. The back cover is made from aluminium, so it's easy to remove, and there is no flex cable attached, so very easy. Okay, so removed the back plate. Now disconnect the battery. And we will have to remove this fingerprint sensor later. I'm just checking here if I have the right screen. Okay, you see I have the Snapdragon version. It does have the flex cable on the top for the touch. Okay, I'm heating up the battery a little bit to remove it easier. So I go carefully with this tool inside, and then lift it up to remove the battery. But it seems that this battery was already removed once, so it's a little bit easier maybe. For you it could be a little bit harder, but anyway, you just proceed like I did. Now you see me unscrewing these screws at the bottom, but you don't have to actually. Because you see where is the flex cable from the screen? It's coming here, yeah, so you don't need. Okay, I'm disconnecting. This is the fingerprint sensor, and this is the flex cable for the screen. So just be carefully, don't break anything. Safety first, so I use plastic goggles and gloves. You have to heat the screen again to remove it. I'm using around 200 degrees, which is a little bit over 350 Fahrenheit. And for around maybe 2 to 3 minutes. So I'm disconnecting now this flex cable, and now I'm trying to make a gap with a small knife. So I just lift it up a little bit, and then I will go around with a plastic card. It's more easier and more safe for you as well. So once you insert this plastic card, you just go around. On the top maybe it's a bit more difficult because the adhesive tape is stronger. I mean, there is more of it. So be patient. So we remove the screen, and now I'm just cleaning here a little bit this old adhesive glue, just going around and around the frame. Just be sure you clean everything fine. So now we have to remove the motherboard, because when you install the new screen, the small flex cable on the top is coming under the motherboard. So you just need to remove these old screws here, first on the top, and then you remove this small plastic there. Okay. So let's remove the plastic. Okay, the plastic is removed. Okay, now we have here another screw, and here. Okay, there is another one. So I'm disconnecting the camera as well. Okay, and disconnecting this flex cable, which is already cutted. Okay, here you have to be carefully. Lift up this fingerprint sensor first, because there is one screw underneath. You see? You have to remove this one as well, otherwise you won't get the motherboard out. Now you can leave the motherboard and remove it. Okay. So I'm just doing here more cleaning, removing the old adhesive tape. So now I will just connect the new screen just to see if everything is working, if we have a picture, and if the touch is working. So let's connect the motherboard back. Connecting here the flex cable for the touch. And now connecting the flat cable for the screen. Okay, let's connect the battery, and then we will turn it on, and let's see if everything is working fine. Then we are good to go to glue the screen inside the frame. Everything is working, okay? Let's turn it off. Okay, I will remove this blue adhesive, blue protective sticker. Okay, now I'm going with a liquid glue, the E7000 or E8000 around. This glue is pretty flexible after it's getting dry, so it's a good one to stick the screen inside the frame. I'm almost always using this kind of glue, sometimes B7000, sometimes E8000, but I think this one is better. Just be sure like you're working fast. You have maybe like a minute before the glue is starting to getting stronger. Okay, now gently put the cable inside, the flex cable inside the hole. Don't forget anything. Okay. And now I'm gently pressing it around just to align it to the frame. And so it's sitting very well. Okay. And now I'll use these plastic clippers to hold the screen inside the frame. I'm using 6 of it, and after that I will leave this screen for maybe like an hour or 2 hours, depends on your time, but at least 1 hour you should leave it resting and for the glue to getting stronger. Okay, my 1 hour is over, and now let's just reassemble the phone and let's finish it. Align the motherboard back, just be careful for all flex cables. Okay, let's connect the screen. Pull back the camera. And now it's time to put all screws in the place. Let's put the antenna back. This plastic is like the antenna for receiving. Okay, let's put all other screws in place. So now I'm adding some adhesive tapes on the battery because the old ones are already need to be replaced. And let's stick the battery inside. Just gently pressing on the top just to align it so it's in a good shape and yeah, in place. Okay, then I'm adding the fingerprint sensor and connect it to the motherboard. And for the finish, I'm turning on the phone and reassemble the backplate again. And my friends, that's it. We are done. Okay, don't forget the SIM card tray. So, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can comment below. I will try to answer your questions as soon as possible. And if you want to donate, there is also a donate link in my video description. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.